Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I've shown you 3 different ways to fire roll out in the woods. And I'm on the edge of the woods this morning. But I've shown you how to fire roll vertically on the side of a tree, on top of a rock outcropping, and fire roll on top of a log that's laying down. But you know, the woods are full of these trees, these stumps that have been cut. So let's go ahead and take advantage of that surface. And once again, I'll have to come up with a top board. I think I can get one out of this big honking log here. Let's see what happens. These leaves are straight off the ground. Once again, this is representing you saving the ashes from your last campfire. Let's see how it goes. Too punky. How about this piece we just broke off with all the turkey tail mushrooms? Let's try to use it.
Starting to get flat on me.
Yeah, that's it. Can you eyeball that yourself and see how flat and how true that plane is? That should work just fine. And let's use most of a cotton ball. We'll use about 10 inches. I smell it. All right, it messed me up with my bottom board caving in on me. So let me roll it, try it one more time, and we'll roll it more in this direction. This time, let's just use 8 inches of cotton. Quarter teaspoon of ash. Roll it up good and tight. Now let's see if we can make this happen. That is so incredibly tight. That's going to be a problem, even though we have it ignited. And the reason it got that tight is because of the moisture on the bottom board and the top board. So let's see what we can do with these leaves. They are straight off the ground, so I am going to put some ashes in them, which will help them ignite a whole lot better. Any tinder that you impregnate with wood ashes will turn that tinder into a great coal extender. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Those were some very damp leaves off the ground. We had a whole day of rain up until yesterday morning about 8 o'clock, so they have not had enough time to dry out thoroughly, but we made them burn, didn't we? We'll catch you on the next one. After it gets done steaming, it should take off.